Assalamu Alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very delicious, healthy, and super easy recipe with you, potato wraps with mince filling. This recipe is loved by kids and adults, and it's a perfect lunchbox idea. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share this video. Now, let's start the recipe. Step 1. Preparing the mince filling. Now, let's start the recipe. Step 1. Preparing the mince filling. First of all, we'll prepare the filling. Heat a pan on medium flame and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add chopped onions and crushed garlic. Sauté them until the onions turn light golden brown and fragrant. Next, add half a kilogram of minced meat. Cook it well and keep stirring until the color changes and the mince is nicely fried. Now add 3 chopped tomatoes. Mix everything properly, then add 1 glass of water. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 20 minutes on medium flame, until the mince becomes soft and flavorful. Your delicious mince filling is now ready. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Step 2. Preparing the potato wrap base. Now we'll prepare the potato wraps. Take half a kilogram of potatoes and grate them finely. Transfer the grated potatoes to a bowl. Add 2 eggs, salt to taste, black pepper, and chopped parsley. Mix everything very well until you get a smooth mixture. Now take a baking tray and spread the mixture evenly. Make sure the layer is thin, just like a tortilla. Bake it in a preheated oven for 15 minutes, until it sets and becomes slightly golden. Step 3. Assembling the wraps. Once baked, take it out and let it cool slightly. Now cut it into 4 equal portions. You can spread cream cheese or mayonnaise on top, this is optional but highly recommended for extra creaminess. Now add the prepared mince filling in the center and gently roll it up. Final result. Your crispy, soft, and delicious potato wraps are now ready to serve. They are perfect for lunch boxes, evening snacks, or even party starters. Serve hot and enjoy this amazing homemade recipe with your family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Smiling face with smiling eyes.